Hello pro traders, welcome to my channel. This is Wayne of GW Pro, and in today I'll be showing you the next setup which I have for BTC. Alright, so I'm looking at BTC forming a cup and a handle. Alright, so as you can see that this setup is nice. Alright, and sometimes I wish I could go back in time. Alright, I could go back in time. This is BTC USD. Alright, and I'm on daily time frame. All right, so I wish I could go back to far back 2011. All right, when we had BTC trading inside of $2. All right, and I look at this and I was telling myself I would capture a lot of positions. All right, I'll accumulate as much as possible positions as I can, all right, for the BTC, all right, for this one. All right, but that having said, we can't really turn back the hands of time, but what we can really do is to do today what we would have done in the past, and so that we will not have that regret in the future as we are having today. All right, so what I'm going to be sharing with you is going to be one that it's going to change your trading life as well. So it's going to change also the way you react to this. All right, so I'm just going to go back to the current time frame, and then I'm going to show you everything for this one. All right, so this is back then we'll do analysis. All right, so let me just go back and all right, so I hope you guys understand what this strategy means. All right, so I'm going to just show it to you. All right, so I'm going to start from this. All right, so what happened here with the BTC came in forming an ending structure here. All right, so this was an ending diagonal. So if you just go ahead and label that, we could then see that BTC formed A, B, C, D, and then created the E leg. All right, so it could also be a smaller A, B, C, D inside of this territory here. All right, so as well, we could also see that was also what could have been the case with this one. All right, so however, when I was looking at BTC here, I was looking at price from this point on. I spoke about the move that was supposed to come right then. All right, so and this move came right here. So the last prediction I made for BTC, I was looking at BTC at 50K. All right, so 50, 60K, and that was what I was looking at because of this B leg right here. So let me just go ahead and put the level down for you guys for this one. So I was looking at BTC inside of here as we approach the ABC. So and then when I looked at the chart, I knew that we could have had some bit of smaller structure here. All right, so which could have formed, okay, so which could have formed something of that nature, and this could be A, B, and then C. All right, so when I looked at that, and I said that okay, it's also possible. So but what I'm looking at here for this one, for the BTC, I think having formed this top here, all right, so having formed this top here as an end diagonal right here, so I think whatever is happening, price is expected to hit out that zone. All right, so let me just go take out that line. What did I take out? I took out the wrong thing. All right, so we expect that price is supposed to take out this zone. All right, so this zone here is a very important zone also. Let's go put up a line there. You can see that was the previous high. 63,300 was the previous high here. All right, so what we want to see is that area being taken out. All right, so we have it that price also, apart from that, formed an ending structure here too. All right, formed an ending structure here too, and that also created an A, B, and then this could have been a C structure there. All right, so that is also what we can identify for price for that one. All right, and however, I think for price to continue making up rises, I want to see that price could do one of this. All right, so I expect this structure to form. All right, so price have so far formed a teacup. All right, so what I'm expecting to see, I'm expecting to see a handle form. All right, so I'm expecting to see a handle form from that point on before we can then look at price to explode to the upside. So what I expect to see is a handle after a teacup creation, and then we can expect that price should explode from that point on. So what you should expect to see is to expect to see a handle after this whole teacup creation here, and you can expect to see that this handle would form before then BTC would explode to the upside. All right, so that's what I think, and also I'm going to be set up this way, also planning for the BTC. Then you can also define that then this channel will also play out nicely. All right, so this channel which we are currently in will also play out nicely, and at that point we'll look to explode to the upside. All right, so that's what I think for the BTC USD. All right, so if you like this presentation, subscribe and also smash the notification bell for this channel, and I'll be back with more presentation on where next I think BTC will go after that correction. All right, have a wonderful, lovely trading week and remain blessed.